Hello, my darling. Welcome back. Today, I'm so excited to see Alex again. This will be his second visit for a head spa. And when he came in, our very first visit, he had some common but frustrating scalp concerns: itching, inflammation, flaking, and overall irritation. He was feeling unsure of his next steps, and together we began a gentle journey towards restoring balance and ease to his scalp. In this video, we'll walk through what Alex has implemented, the changes we're seeing, and we'll even take a peek under the microscope at the very end. If you're sensitive to that kind of content, feel free to skip ahead or stop before that section. And for those of you that are curious about your own healing journey, all of the tools, product suggestions, and my virtual guide as to how to unfunk your scalp from home are linked in the description below. Please know that if you're feeling overwhelmed by scalp care and you're not sure where to start, I offer one-on-one consultation calls to help guide your journey. Even if you're in another city or state, you do not have to navigate this alone. You'll find my scheduling link in the description as well. When Alex and I first met, we talked about one of the most overlooked aspects of scalp health, and that was our water source. Hard water, chlorine, minerals, chemicals, deposits, and buildup can truly disrupt the scalp's microbiome, causing flaking, irritation, or even breakouts. One of the first recommendations I gave him was to install a shower filter. It's such a simple switch, and it can have a profound impact on our scalp health over time. We also explored products he was using, especially his shampoo. Many of the most popular hair care products are filled with ingredients that can actually make inflammation worse, especially if your scalp is already sensitive, and sometimes less is more. We even talked about something that most people never think twice about: the blow dryer. Letting your scalp air dry after the shower can feel harmless or even natural, but it actually creates a warm, humid environment on your head, which is the perfect breeding ground for bacteria and imbalance. Why? Because we release so much heat through our scalp, and when it's wet and warm from the shower and left to air dry, it can quickly become unbalanced, even if we're using all of the right products. Blow drying the scalp, not aggressively but intentionally, helps to create a more neutral, balanced environment where your products can work with your skin, not against it. Alex has begun implementing some powerful shifts since his first visit. He's been oiling his scalp regularly, he's added a shower filter, he updated his product routine, and he's been drying his scalp after most washes, creating a healthy rhythm for his scalp. Consistency is everything when it comes to scalp healing. It doesn't have to be overwhelming. Just implementing intentional practices over time. One of Alex's favorite parts of his first visit was our vibrating scalp brush. We'll definitely be bringing that back in today. I'll be using the Manta Pulse brush, a studio and client favorite. It's an amazing addition to any at-home oiling ritual, offering just the right amount of exfoliation after applying your scalp oil. It's also super easy to clean, which is a must when you're using your tools regularly. If you're looking for a way to up-level your at-home care, the Manta Pulse is one of my top recommendations, and that will be linked below for you as well. Remember, what you apply, how you stimulate, how you rinse, all plays a role in your scalp's ability to return to harmony and balance. After several months of consistent care, we were both so curious to see how his scalp was doing today, and the transformation is beautiful to witness. We'll take a look closer under the microscope now to compare his before and after. This part is really insightful and one of my favorite ways to track true progress. But again, if you're squeamish, feel free to skip ahead. It's been so rewarding to support Alex's journey. And if you're watching this feeling unsure where to begin, I want to remind you, this kind of transformation is possible for you too. Your scalp is worthy of care, of consistency, and attention. You deserve to feel at home in your body, and your healing journey is allowed to be soft, curious, and supported. If you'd like guidance on your path, you can book a one-on-one consultation with me, whether you're nearby or across the country. I am here to support every step of the way. You'll find everything you need, tools, products, and my at-home guide in the description below. Until then, be gentle with yourself and I'll see you in the next one.